Hey guys, good morning. Well, we're going to go over Cardano today. I know the Vassal hard fork is coming up, but we've got, honestly guys, 5 bearish signs that I want to show you guys in the market of why we may be stalling out here a little bit before we see a move back up, and this will correlate to your guys' profits that you're seeing in your accounts. Currently, we have been doing what's called accumulating in the market. We're up $4,017 as of this morning, and a lot of people don't know this. I'll make this very quick, guys, but you guys know our scalping strategy over here. I'll let it refresh here for a second. We're 440% higher than the S&P 500, and we've actually called out an extra trade here. If you guys were able to take that, you may be a little bit higher. This is awesome, and this is part of our membership where we call trades out for you guys. But something I don't feel like I talk about enough is we do what's called accumulating. We accumulate profits in this market by buying low and selling high. And that's what these are over here for. So what we ended up doing was we ended up selling 50% of our stash of ADA up here, and then we ended up buying in down here. We bought down here, we bought down here. Yesterday, I ended up calling this out to the whole family over here, to our Trade Confident members. I'm selling some of my crypto. Here's how much in what coin. This was actually for Cardano. So I know we're scalping over here, but guys, just know that our membership, we're coming out here and we're actually getting in and out of these markets. Like, we took an 11.21% profit on this 25% entry here in the market. That's money we gained. That was 11.21. We then took about a 6% profit on the other entry of 25%. So not only are we calling scalping trades out, we are acquiring as many coins as we can at this lower price before crypto just takes off, okay? So I just want to share that with you guys. All right, let's dive into the analysis here of some signs of why I think you guys should be looking for a potential move back down here soon on Cardano. Let's jump in here and let's just dive right in. First thing I want to show you guys here is a Fibonacci retracement. If you take the low of the trend and you take the high of the trend, we are getting very close, and we actually are almost hitting this right now, into a 50% Fibonacci retracement. Now, a 50% retracement usually by nature is a bearish thing in the market. So we're going to call this a 50% Fib retrace. By nature, this is very bearish. Okay, so let's move on to the second one. I'm gonna take this off here. So everyone just keep this in mind. I'm trying to show you guys undisputed patterns in the market. Take a look at trend exhaustion down here. This thing is so ridiculously high here. This is showing you guys if the actual structure, when I'm talking about structure, I'm talking about these big structures here, are overbought or oversold. All right, if you take a look at this, I want you guys, your eyes, to come over here and look left and say, all right, when is the last time something like this has happened? Can we correlate this to possible moves down in the future looking at historical data? If we look at this and we go straight up here, it's interesting because here we can see a little bit of a decrease in the market. If we look over here now and we look straight up over here, this actually ended up seeing a little bit of a decrease as well, okay? So I'm looking at this and I'm saying, all right, the exhaustion of the actual trend in the past pushed us up here, and then we started to see moves back down. If we come over here and just take a quick look at what the percentages were on that, we ended up seeing about a 17, close. Actually, 16.86% drop here. And if we take a look at this over here, we come out and we take a price range. We saw about from candlewick high to low, we ended up seeing about a 17% drop. Very interesting. If we take a look at this 17% and we come over here and we look at where 17% is, we potentially could be going back down to structure support, maybe. And that would put us at about 42, 43 cents, something to keep in mind, okay? So trend exhaustion is high, which is a bearish sign, all right? Bearish. Let's move on to the next one. So the price risk well money flow, guys, is sitting at a metric value of 52.63. This isn't necessarily, in my opinion, really overbought or oversold, so this is more neutral. However, you guys need to go down to the 4-hour time frame for the rest of this. We're going to take this, we're going to copy it, and I'm going to bring this over to the 4-hour time frame. Here's what I want you guys to see on the 4-hour time frame. By the way, in one moment here, I'll show you guys how to get the top and bottom finder 53% off, and I'll show you guys how to get these other indicators 82% off. It's a sweet deal we've got going on, so stick around for that. Okay, here's the deal on this, is that we've got a double top formation here on Cardano. We've got one top and a two top. A double top formation, by the nature of this pattern, is a very bearish sign in the market. So we've got a double top, and I'm going to put this so everybody can follow this on the 4-hour time frame, okay? And this by nature is very bearish. Looking at the other sign I see over here is we have a sell signal that came out here which called the drop here. Our strong sell ended up calling the drop over here, okay? I ended up seeing this sell over here just a little bit after we came out and we exited this, and I saw the strong sell. It was my wife and I's 7-year anniversary, and we were out, going to dinner. I didn't necessarily see this. If I ended up seeing this strong sell, guys, I would have called an exit exit up here because you guys know I was looking for that. But if you guys had the indicator, you know that power's in your hands. You guys can watch this and you guys were able to exit just a little bit higher than what I called out for all of our members. So great job for doing that. Seriously, if you guys are watching this and you are taking these entries down here at the buys and you look at the sells, it's calling the exact bottom candle, like the exact bottom candle before I move up. The exact bottom candle, exact bottom candle. Guys, this is how you make money. I don't know how many people are doing this, but we have some people in our membership, real quick, I'm just going to explain this, that are coming in and they're taking the buys and the sells and they're just doing this back and forth. Like that's 13.43% profit. This over here, you're looking at about 6.57. Over here, you're looking at from an entry to an exit, roughly about 3.19. Guys, that is money in your bank account, okay? This is why you guys want to snag it. I'll get you guys a discount here in just 1 second, but watch this. I want to continue. The fourth one, we have to look at this, guys. We have a double top formation, arguably just a little bit higher move over here than over here, which is a high and a higher high, and we have what's called divergence on the well money flow. So we've got well money flow moving out of the market, and we've got a double top. This is a bearish sign in the market for a potential drop back down. So we have price versus well money flow, and this is actually divergence. And this is a bearish sign in the market, all right? I'm going to keep this up because I'm going to explain it here. Same thing with trend exhaustion. We have a high and a lower high. You can see that the actual structure is trying to push down here while it's trying to push up here. I do believe this is a place where retail traders are going to be abandoned to the upside, and we can already see it this morning. The sell signal came out saying, hey, I would probably take some money out of here, and we're seeing it move back down. So trend exhaustion doing an amazing job here at calling this divergence, and we're already seeing this play out, which is bearish in the market. So we've got these 5 signs here that we've used the indicators to look into this market, get an in-depth analysis. Now, I want you guys to do this literally every morning on any of the coins that you have. I do believe we could come back down here and we could target the structure of about 46 cents for ADA. And that could potentially be a drop in the market of about another 4 to 5%. And I do think 46 cents is possible here with all the bearish signs that we see. All right, let me get you guys into this because you guys are looking at this and be like, oh my gosh, let's make some money. Yeah, let's make some money, guys. We're doing as well. I'm up $4,000 and we're using this indicator, 3,900 now. The analysis is playing out as we're talking, literally. All right, take a look at this. On our website, tradeconfident.io, go to the indicators tab. I've got this linked in the description of this video, so just click the link. You'll be taken to this page. Here is the deal, guys. Our bundle pack includes the price versus well money flow, and it includes the trend exhaustion down here. Those are the 2 indicators we're using at the bottom here. You guys are going to love these for looking at divergence. Buy the bundle pack. You'll get 82% off today. You will get 9 indicators, and you're going to get the source codes to all of them. Here's the best deal of all of this, guys. Everybody who has and who is purchasing the bundle pack, if you have purchased this in the past, email us and we will just give you a 53% off coupon code. But if you're purchasing the bundle pack today, everyone who purchases today, immediately after checkout, you will get a PDF that says surprise gift. Open that PDF, guys. You will get a 53% off coupon code for the top and bottom finder. I promise you guys, there's not a better metric in the industry that has been coded yet. I did not code this. It was a friend of mine. It's been 4 years in the making. Seriously, this is the best metric because unlike oscillators where you kind of have to guess where the bottom is, this just tells you where the majority time the bottom is in crypto. And this correlates to money. Guys, I'm showing you my account is making money over here. We're up about $4,000. We're using this indicator. So it's not like I'm saying this and we're not making money. So here's the deal. Get the bundle pack first. You'll immediately get a 53% off coupon code and use that coupon code towards the top and bottom finder. If you want to purchase this outright by itself, it's more expensive to outright purchase this than to get the bundle pack and this together. Why get 2 indicators when you guys can get 11? So make sure you guys do that today. And then last but not least, if you guys want to join our scalping trades and the accumulation that we're doing, that is only $75 a month. And all of our crypto charts, take a look at this. The crypto charts that I'm showing you guys for this metric, they all update every single day with risk management over here. If you guys want to scalp the markets, every single day they're updated. That's part of the membership as well. So if you guys are like, I don't want to get the indicator, but I want to start slow, go ahead. And on top of that, guys, because you paid $75 a month, you're getting access to all of our stock charts as well, all 20 of them. Guys, I honestly believe we priced this to be the most competitive, and I think you guys are really going to like this. $75 a month, access all of our trade calls as well as all of our metrics on the daily time frame, as well as we go live with you guys every single month in a coaching call. The master classes are yours too, and the community chat. So come on here, guys. Snag the bundle pack today. Get the indicator. Make sure you use the 53% off coupon code. We'll give you guys access to everything today, and I'll see you in the next video analysis. Enjoy the profits that you guys make on this indicator. I think you guys are really, really going to like this. All right, guys, God bless you. Have a good one. Everything's in the description. Buy that today, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.